Okay, let's continue with this plumbing drawing. I need a better view. Let's see if I have any 3D views. I'm gonna create a 3D view. View, 3D, default, 3D view. And where is that? Okay, I'm gonna go back. Now, I don't know where that is. Maybe it's this one. Elevation sections. Let's do this. Double click on this. Wow. Okay. That's close to what I want, but it's not exactly what I want. So what's gonna happen? Let's go back. I'm gonna go back and create a default 3D view. Now, I don't know why I did that, but, what I want to do is create an overall, okay, all of my links are off, and I want to create a 3D view that will show all of the plumbing, because instead of doing this, okay, you can do this and create a section box 3D view. You can do that, which is this guy, and which will be part of the process of coordination, okay? But you can use both, which I will do. But I think it's a good idea to set up an overall 3D view like this. Okay, not like this, because I'm gonna clean this up in just a minute. In just a minute, I'm gonna turn off all of my link views and only show my plumbing. Those are levels, and I think that, let's go here, annotation. Let's turn off all of my annotation. You see, I didn't go to the link view. This is the link view where I can customize everything on the link view. But over here is my annotation category. But I don't want to show any of the annotation category. Maybe the section box. So I'll say none. Let's look at the section box. Yeah, I think I'll keep that on and say, okay, where's my section box? Where is the section box? Maybe that wasn't the section box. S. Okay, let's go S again. Let's go box sections. I don't want scope box. Let's do sections and see what happens. That's not there either. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Because when we go to the roof plan and look at this 3D box, this is what I'm looking for, and that is a section box. Now, I want this 3D view to show section box. This section box. Why is the section box not showing? Why is the section box not showing? Cancel. That is strange. Well, something's going on. I don't know what is going on. Where is it? Is it way out here somewhere? It's not good. Let's go back. I'm turning off everything. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I just did. Undo. This is confusing. Man, I don't know what happened. What's going on? Section box S. Is it the work set? Can't be the work set. Let me change it to P and make it active. I can change it down here. Now I'm guessing. What's this work set? This work set, this work set, this work set. This work set is S. I don't want it to be S. I want to change all of this work set to P. All of that is P. And that still didn't bring on the section box, right? Okay, let's try it again. So this is what happens when you're at work and things don't work out the way you want them to. So I'm going to go through this with you guys to figure out why I'm not getting a section box. Let's turn on everything. Turn on everything, none. Here. That didn't work. 3D. Man, I don't understand that. Let's delete this. And I'm gonna just not use this one. And it should be up here somewhere. Okay, that's that one. But what we want to do is create a 3D default view. No. Yes. So what happened? I want this one. What? That's the default view. I don't know what happened to the other one. Huh. That's the section. That's the section box. Okay, I don't know what just happened. But this is what I want. This is what I want. Let's go to our annotation. So if I turn off, let's go S, and I turn off section boxes. So that box should not show up, right? Okay, so let's go back and not worry about what Revit just did. I don't know what that was, where I couldn't find the section box. So just be patient with Revit and it will show you. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a box where my entire floor plan will show up. Let's see. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because you can, let's go back. You can use, let's do this, and you can use this section box, right? From time to time, it's going to be a way to coordinate, right? You can go over here and turn on your architects. Let's turn on the structure because the architect is going to hide what I want to show. And it's a good way to coordinate your drawing, okay? And I think that the last time what I was saying was what I'm going to need to do. I don't think I need to come all the way down to this main pipe. What I'm going to do is cross over somewhere in here and connect my two floor drains with this pipe that's coming off of my two water closets. So it's a good idea to do this. It's a good idea to have this view, right? But keep, let's go architect. That's the same. Is that the same? That's the same one. I don't want that one. Now it's getting to be a little confusing what I'm trying to do. I'm going to delete this and go back. Default 3D view. Okay, I think that's going to give us our entire drawing. Okay. And that, where is, it's going to be here. So I'm going to 3D views here and rename this to plumbing, say 3D plumbing. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like that and come over. Let's turn off everything first, because I'm trying to look at my section. There's a section. Okay, that's the scope box. Let's go back and look at annotation, and that's the scope box. That's the scope box. And where is the section box? So I guess the section box is not part of the 3D default view. So I'm gonna, that's the 3D plumbing. That's this guy. And so the section is only applies to this section box view. Come on. Now it's getting to be a little confusing. It is, let's see. All this, including this guy, all of these, and I only want turn off. Let's go back. Let's turn off all of my disciplines, which is, that's the plumbing. I mean, that's the default. That's the plumbing. This is the default, and it looks like the section view, the default view does not give you a section box. Okay. So that's this guy, and okay. So I'm setting up. This is going to be my overall. Let's rename it again. Overall. Overall 3D plumbing. Okay, we'll just call it that. And what I'm gonna need to do is go in here and turn off all. None. Okay, and have that, because this is gonna show all of my. Let's go here and here, and let's make this okay. So we have my overall, and this is my working, I would say my working box, how to coordinate. Okay, so that's just so the default, this default doesn't have a section view, and this section box has a section box, which makes sense since this is called a section box. But I don't understand why the 3D view doesn't have a section box where we can look at different areas and not just the overall. Or yeah, that's confusing. But from what I see, that looks like that's about it. So I'm gonna stop here. So I didn't get to do what I wanted to do, and that will be the case when you're working on these drawings. Nothing goes as planned, and this is one of those times when you walk into the office and stuff happens. So, and it happened in this case. So I'm gonna stop here, guys, and I will talk to you guys later. What am I gonna call this? Section boxes. Let's call it section boxes. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.